It's wet and moist. Take that.
Hi friends, welcome back to Friends Test Kitchen. Gina and I are excited to make another fun recipe today. We decided to try the Japanese egg salad sandwich. There is a huge cult following and it's come to the US and there are long lines down the street just to get the sandwich, and we want to know what the deal is. So we're going to make it at our house today. So make sure you stay till the end to see if Gina and I think that this is a great sandwich to add to your list. Fill a large pot with water and bring it to a boil. Then place 12 eggs gently into the water and let the eggs gently simmer for 8 minutes. When the 8 minutes are up, transfer 6 of the eggs into an ice bath. Continue cooking the 6 remaining eggs for another 6 minutes. When they're done, transfer them into a second ice bath. When the 5 minutes are up, crack the hard-boiled eggs, take the shells off. All right, and that's what we have here. We have our soft-boiled eggs and our hard-boiled eggs that we've already chopped up. And then we're going to start with our dressing. So Gina, what is in this special Japanese dressing?
First of all, not as much mayo as I thought for the American style, so that could be a good thing. But first, we're gonna start with the Japanese mayo. And then we're gonna also add a little bit of creme fraiche.
I didn't have creme fraiche, but I'm using sour cream.
And then some Dijon mustard and a little bit of rice wine vinegar, which I went all the way back to the store for, which they didn't have any of. So you can use a little white wine vinegar if you don't have the rice wine vinegar. A little bit of scallions, and then some salt, and that's it. All right, let's mix this up really good. I don't know that this is gonna cover 12 eggs. Hey Kat, I think I'm gonna look back on this video and ask myself why I chose to wear this shirt, because it reminds me of Seinfeld. You know, the one with the pirate shirt, the poofy sleeves.
I thought you were gonna say you were gonna look back at this recipe and eat your words, because Gina was not excited about this Japanese egg salad sandwich. She's like, it's an egg salad sandwich, who cares? But I told her there's a huge cult following. People are standing around the corner just to get this egg sandwich. So I'm like, we have to try and see what the big deal is.
Yeah, she hypes it up. Long line, really popular, Japanese egg salad. And I was reading through the steps. I'm like, it's just an egg salad sandwich. I don't understand. So yes, we shall see. Okay, after that's mixed, we pour it into our chopped eggs.
Gina, is your egg salad moist?
Stop! Yes, it is. It's wet and moist. Take that.
We need to take our soft boiled eggs and we need to cut it in half the long way. It's a little bit soft, but not too creamy.
Now it's time to assemble. So I've got 2 slices of bread, and I went with the Japanese milk bread just to stay consistent with the theme and authenticity. On one slice, you're gonna put a little bit of the Dijon mustard. We're gonna take one soft egg that we cut in half. And there's a strategy to putting it down. You're gonna place some yolk side down with the rounder part, the fatter part, in the center of the sandwich, nose to nose. The second slice, we're gonna put a little bit more of the mayo on, and then put a scoop of your egg salad on top of the side with the eggs.
I'm gonna cut off the top and bottom. One cut here, and then another cut. And it should look like this. Okay, Gina, it's come down to the time. I think that we're gonna enjoy it. You know, it might be different from the actual places that actually serve this up and charge you $10. I got it from the New York Times, and they got it from the famous egg salad sandwich place in LA called Konbi. So I'm gonna assume that it's pretty close to what they serve. It's probably not the same, but we're gonna give it a try. All right, oh, you put your hair up, girl.
I did, I'm ready.
We're gonna do our rating for ease. How easy was this on a scale of 1 to 5?
Mine is with the caveat that once you have all the ingredients. So I was thinking 4.5 because I feel like you would have to go out to get a creme fraiche.
What do you think about taste on a scale of 1 to 5? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you do like it. Okay, now.
It is one of the better ones I've ever had. So it is good. And then just even the added element of a whole egg in the middle. Again, I didn't think much of it, though.
That's my favorite part. That adds the element of texture because the rest of the egg salad is, you know, pretty small. And I like soft-boiled eggs, so it was creamy. So since we can't go anywhere, I love that we can make it in our own home.
Yes. So maybe not $10 worth, but I definitely pay 5. So thanks again, friends, for joining us. This definitely opened my eyes to a better egg salad sandwich. Hopefully it makes you curious enough to try it in your home as well. So stay tuned for next week and see what recipe we make next. If you have any recommendations, just let us know. Maybe you'll see your recommended recipe on our next video. So until next time, stay safe and we'll cook again with you next week. Bye.